How to use AI tools to automate data entry. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI tools to automate data entry quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to any AI automation tool. You can use platforms like ChatGPT, Google Sheets with AI add-ons, Zapier, or Microsoft Power Automate. Once you're on ChatGPT, log in and open a new chat. Now take the data you want to enter. This could be names, emails, product lists, prices, or survey answers, and paste it into the chat. Then simply tell ChatGPT what you want done. For example, convert this raw text into a table. Extract only the names and emails. Format this into CSV for Google Sheets. ChatGPT will instantly organize and format your data into a clean table that's ready for entry. Once the data is cleaned, click Copy, then open Google Sheets and paste it directly. Your data is now entered automatically without manual typing. And if you're using Microsoft Power Automate, you can create a flow that reads text, processes it with AI, and fills Excel cells automatically. These tools save huge amounts of time and remove errors, making your data entry fully automated. That's all for the video.